Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Sorry for this weird little setup. Got another knife review for you. Now this one I think is going to be kind of cool for your everyday carry because it's going to kind of help solve a very commonplace problem. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro and we'll get right into it. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying with me. Now as you see, this is called the Gerber GDC Golf Delta Charlie Tech Skin. Now as you can kind of see right there, it says phone safe. Now this is something that always bothered me. When you get a higher end cell phone, you know, there's mine, my two little monsters that you just saw, you know, it's an iPhone 8 Plus. You don't want to put it in like a sweatshirt pocket and have an everyday carry knife with you in your sweatshirt pocket because it's going to get scratched, it's going to get scarred, it's going to get dinged. Well, Gerber came up with something really friggin' cool. Alright, and this is the blade. Now, it looks a little weird because it's got, for lack of a better phrase, a totally rubberized tech hide all over everything. There is no sharp objects or right angles or anything in here that will scratch your cell phone. Now, it's got an overall length of 5.93 inches. The blade is 2.5 inches. Enclosed, it's 3.4 inches. I gotta tell you honestly, it's a little hard to get open and it's a little hard to close. It's got a lockback closure just because of the skin. Even the thumb studs are coated with the skin. And you know, Gerber, when you first get it, it's a real bear to get them going. A little bit more so with this one. That's one drawback that I saw from me. Now the steel is 7CR17 and the handle is Zytel 101, which basically means plastic or some heavy-duty polymer plastic, which I said is covered by that skin. Now, it is designed in Portland, Oregon, but unfortunately it is, you know, you can't see anywhere on here made in the USA. This one is made in China. I thought it was a radical approach to kind of a problem with carrying items around. Now, as we usually do, we checked out the cost. Over on Gerber, it's $37. Over on Amazon, it's $35.55. Over on Gerber, it's rated 4 out of 5 stars, and over on Amazon, it's rated 4.2 out of 5. Honestly, the only drawback that I've seen is getting it open, not to mention getting it in a really hot environment. I wonder how well it's going to work during a summer month. You know, is that going to turn all gooey and runny and get everywhere? But I like the fact that Gerber addressed the problem that some people have. If you have a higher end phone, you want to protect it. But you also want to carry an everyday carry blade, and in some areas, you can't carry a fixed blade. But I'd like to know what you think, down below. Leave me your questions, comments, complaints, whatever. I want to hear them. If you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day with me. You should be seeing a little symbol popping up right over here. That is going to be my company logo. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. And oh, hey, before I forget, seeing how this is a newer one, it comes, you know, pretty sharp right out of the box. Now, as I was saying, you know, thank you for watching my videos. And speaking of videos, you should see 2 of them popping up over here. Those are ones that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos as, you know, they think it's going to be a good fit for you to watch. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I know it's short. I know it's sweet. Not a lot to say about this one other than I find it kind of interesting. This is the Gerber GDC Tech Skin. Thank you for watching.